So now it's time to test our form. Let's open the Firebug, the console, so that we can see any possible errors. Actually, I'm going to just minimize it like this. We're going to start with the PHP mailer. Let's put my name here. Some dummy telephone number, email address, the same thing. Test with PHP mailer. If we scroll down, let's select some files. There we go, files uploaded. If we click on submit inquiry, do we get any errors? No, the message pops in, everything's fine. Few seconds, page reloads, forms reset, and we're ready to send another one. But let's check if we've received the first one. It all seems to be working fine. We have 3 attachments, which seems right. JPEG, doc, and PDF. If we scroll down, we can preview the JPEG image. Okay, so that one works fine. We can remove this message. Let's go back to our browser. Now we're going to use SwiftMailer. Again, the same situation. Some details here. Obviously, I've pressed the enter button on my keyboard. So obviously the validation pops in. A test with SwiftMailer. And if we try to submit inquiry now without selecting any files and check, I know there is an error already because I've been testing. We've got this tr, undefined variable tr, within email class on line 249. So if we go back to our editor, open classes, email, and it was line 249. There we go. We loop in SRT, and I've used TR here for email. So obviously we need to change it to RT as well. We can now save this file and close. If we go back to the browser, and now it should all work fine. So if we scroll it down, attach a few files, open, files been attached. Now if we submit inquiry, you can see it's processing. The message has been sent. Let's check in the mail client. Yeah, message here, 3 attachment as well. Everything seems fine, so we can remove this message. So PHP mailer and SwiftMailer is working fine. Now let's go for the ZendMail. If we go for the same thing, test with ZendMail, and I know there's an error as well, so I'm just going to submit this. Oh, actually, this sent successfully, and this sent successfully because we haven't actually attached any files. But let's try again, the same thing. Test with ZendMail, and now we're going to attach files. And send inquiry. You can see we stopped already. Fatal error. We've got str-po. We've forgotten about S letter after this. So we have helper on line 130. We go back to the helper, line 130, string position. Now if we save the file, close it, go back to our browser. These files we can remove because they already have been renamed, so we won't be able to send them anyway. So let's upload the new files. The new files have been uploaded. Now send inquiry. The form has been sent. Let's go back to our client. This is the first one which we've sent. If we wait a moment, I'll just click on get mail. We've got a new one with the attachments, obviously 3 attachments. All seems fine. Scroll down, the image displays. We can remove both of the image messages. Okay, so our form is now working, but that's not everything. I want to show you how you can also send to multiple recipients, and then how to clear outdated files from within the uploads folder. So next is sending an email to multiple recipients.